If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. This breakout right now on Hbar is huge. The meaning behind this is insane, guys. It's a suggestion now that the reversal wave was created and the confirmation of the 786 as support, which is what we were actually suggesting. Now we're looking for these targets to the upside between 8.7, 9.4 and 10.5 cent. Already today, we are up a mere 5% in the past 2 days since the 786 support. Let's just take it from the close. We're up 11%, but from where we actually said it was going to drop down to, which is the 786 fib, to where we are now, it is up 16% in literally 3 days, guys. So nice to see Hbar being so strong while a lot of the rest of the market is tanking. So you're expecting Hbar against the Bitcoin, that Hbar Bitcoin pair. Hbar is of course got a lot of strength at the moment, and that's why we're getting this continuation. So please do expect these targets to the upside to be met, as long as now that we have broken above the 1 fib level, we continue to hold above it. So yes, we were going through these levels very nicely and smoothly. It was all the way down here in October time, which I said we were going to eventually retrace to the high. It's nice to see that that's finally happened a few months later. And now that we got to the high and rejected it, confirmed the 786, which was a previous resistance here and here now as support, following this breakout now, as that was the previous support, this new level, this resistance now needs to act as support. So 7.6 cent needs to be our support going forward, you know, to continue to these targets in the immediate short term, the next few days. So the only way to stop these targets from being met is if we close back underneath the 1 fib level. We still got 8 hours left, so let's watch how this candle does close. But it's very exciting times ahead, honestly, guys. I'm now going to scale over to the 4-hour time frame. Just before we do so, let me see just once again how far these are. 10 to 30%. But if you got in since October time, you know, just back to the high, 50% move, 72, 85 and 100% since we said Hbar is actually bullish all the way back down here at the end of October. Now let's go over to the 4-hour time frame. Make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment and share. It does help the channel grow, and let's achieve 7.5k as quick as we can. If you want to get educated by myself so you can learn how to do this all on your own, then private message me on Twitter or use the links in the description to head straight to the website. Now what I need to do over here is actually measure this dump into that 786 fib, which we confirmed as support. So right there, boom, from the high to the low. Now we've created the reversal wave. We just need to break the 1 fib level essentially. So that's why in the title you saw break this high for massive gains. It was essentially the 1 fib level. I already made the title earlier in the day, and then as I've already made 3 other updates on Bitcoin, Nakamoto Games and Casper, the time that it took to make those and edit them and upload them, Hbar's already pumped and broke the high. So the massive gains are on the way essentially, guys. Huge gains ahead. But yeah, I'm just using this Fibonacci tool, retracement tool right now, just to show you this in a bit more detail. We know that these are our targets between 8.7, 9.4 and 10.5. But this shorter term fib is going to just give us further confidence, just another confirmation for why we're believing, why we have the bias that it will get up to these price points eventually. And we've got these new set of Fibonacci's in line with the 1272 and the 1414. So we know that we will be getting up to about the 9.5 cent area. So very exciting times ahead. What we want to do to continue with this is hold the reversal wave, which we created over here. We pushed through, confirmed it as support. So going forward, you need to hold that area. But as we were zooming out on the daily time frame, we recognized that it's actually the 1 fib level that we need to hold going forward, 7.6 cent, which was our high all the way back in, what month was it? August time. So it's taken a long time to actually break out, but it's finally here. So very exciting times ahead, huge gains to be made. Hopefully you've packed your bags for the moment or are trading this asset. And that's pretty much it from me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you want to get educated by myself, please use the links down below. Just maintain the 1 fib level for the continuation to these targets. And now we've got further confluences with both of these fibs in line with each other. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.